Hello YouTube, this is Mitch with Mitch Quick Eats. Before I get started and tell you what we're going to be cooking today, I want everybody to be safe during the coronavirus epidemic. Wash your hands thoroughly, you know what I'm saying, use pure alcohol if you don't have any hand sanitizer. And basically take care of yourself and stay home or among just your loved ones, because it's a serious issue out here. Always something is going on in life that makes you uncomfortable. We just have to strive through it, be strong, and get through it. So today we're going to be cooking a potato and meat goulash, quick, because you know what I'm saying, everything is getting hectic out here with buying groceries because you can't get everything you want. But I know how to cook something that's going to be good and fun. So we're going to do this now in the kitchen, okay? Have a great day. Alright, so today we're going to show you an old traditional way that people really forgot about. Is cooking with just natural water and your seasonings, because it keeps all the vitamins and minerals that's in the meat, that's supposed to be in the meat, and it's better for you instead of all the oils and stuff that we use in today's cooking. You know, especially like me, I'm trying to be a person that's losing some weight, and all this oil is just clogging me up and making me bigger. It's not a good thing. So I'm doing it back to old school, which people usually forget about anyway. And we're going to use some hot water. So it's getting hot. First thing we're going to do with the hot water, first thing we're going to do, since before the water gets too hot, is put all the potatoes and the meat in there together. Just like that. Put all of the potatoes and meat in there and let it cook down first for a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to let the potatoes and the meat cook down, the beef sausage is cooked down a little bit first before I start adding other ingredients to it, because I want those to cook down a little bit first. Okay, now while we wait for that cook down, what I'm going to do now is cook the rice. Put a little water in it, nice yellow rice. Okay, now I'll put the rice on and let it cook down. Make sure the rice ain't sticking, it's not. Give it a little nice gentle stir once in a while. Cover it back up and let it do its thing. Okay, now I'm going to add my other ingredients. Just a little bit of peas, mushrooms, and green pepper. Remember, I'm just cooking the fast way, showing you the clean water with the naturalness that it does. Don't add no more water, leave the water as much as it is in there already. While that's still cooking down, I'm going to season it. I'm going to season a little bit, a little adobo, not too much because I don't want it to be too salty. A little perfect everything seasoning. That one you can put like about a cup, 2 cups, I mean not a cup, 2 spoons in there. Garlic. Usually I go ham with garlic, but put like maybe 4 spoonfuls in it, because I want to add the meat to it too. Okay, that's good. You got coming out with the COVID-19 and stuff. You need all the vitamins to fight that away. So this is what we're doing. Push it all up in there. Heat and the steam will cook it down anyway. And the oils from the meat will naturally come out natural. Cook it the rest of the way. Slightly pushing the meat down in between the potatoes and sausages. Just push it down lightly in there so we start cooking. What should I do? And that's it. Look how perfect that came out. Now that's perfect rice. Yep. Okay, now that it's cooking down a little good, which is going to come out good anyway, most people use a little bit of flour to thicken it up to make the gravy. I'm not going to do it this time. I'm just going to let the water cook out a little bit more and serve it up and plate it so you can see how it is. So if you do it like this and see how easy it is and how delicious it is, it's going to surprise you how natural water can do the same thing as anything else. Okay? Now, this is how it looks when you let it cook down all the way. The potato is fixing it up for you, and you serve it up. And this is how it looks when it's done, with just natural plain water. Cook it down to get your little goulash that you want. And I know it tastes good. It just takes a little spoon for you guys.